Hey everyone, welcome back to Anubis. Today, I'm going to show you how to download and use Nikto, a powerful open-source web server scanner. It's a great tool for finding potential security issues on web servers, and it's completely free. Let's dive in. First, let's download Nikto from its official GitHub repository. Head over to GitHub and search for Nikto, or simply type in the URL, github.com/solo/Nikto. Once you're there, you'll see the repository maintained by Solo. This command will clone the entire Nikto repository to your local machine. Once it's done, you'll have a directory named Nikto in your current working directory. Change directory to Nikto/program. Now, let's run Nikto. You have two options here. The first is to run the script directly using the shebang interpreter. Make sure to replace example.com with the URL of the website you want to scan. Now that we've gone through the basics, I'm going to show you a few examples by scanning some websites with Nikto. This will give you a better idea of how the tool works in real-world scenarios. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and happy scanning!